Alright, so this is using motor driver with inputs. Alright, so I'll just show you how it works first off. So what happens is we move this potentiometer and it creates a value for the motor. If we go all the way up, that's motor at full speed. And if we go down, that's, it gets lower. The color of the RGB does change as well. The piezo creates a frequency based on the potentiometer value as well. And then the SPDT switch, if we do increase the motor speed and we want to switch it, it'll now go the other direction, and vice versa, whatever way we want to, do that. So, alright, so here are the serial prints for this. So as we turn it up, it does go all the way up and then goes back down. And then, so here you can see we turn it up and it goes down. So if we just stop for a second, we can see that the piezo frequency is 56, the motor speed's 14, which is really low, that's why it's not moving. And it's also in reverse. So if we switch this, we scroll down, we should be in forward now. So here's the code. What we got here is we have set all of our integers just for the pins that we're using, and then we also make a count and make frequency. Alright, then we set everything as an output. Then we make just a speed for the motor to use, a speed value. These two methods we use for forward and reverse. And then so here's our forward method. So that's just the SPDT switch choosing. If it's high, then it will use the forward loop. If it's low, it will use the reverse loop. So this is the forward. What it does is it will do one direction high, one direction low, so it changes direction. Then it will do the speed of the motor. It makes a frequency. The piezo makes the frequency right there. All these, the RGB legs, they light up to the specific speed, which is out of 255, and then we have all of our prints as well. And this loop's basically the same, except it just says reverse, because it's going the other direction. And the directions also change here. As well, we have to show kind of the layout of the board we got here. So here we have the piezo buzzer, and we also have our, it connects to ground through here, and also our power. So we have 5.5 volts connected here, which powers this side. The only thing it's powering is the motor driver, and then we also have ground coming across here and then going back up to ground, which goes here. We also have 3.3 volts powering this side, which powers the SPDT switch, as well as the potentiometer and the motor driver. And it also powers the motor driver over here through this leg. That's 3.3 volts. And we also have RGB LED, 100 ohm load resistors. We have 3 of those. And the RGB utilizes pins 13 through 11. Piezo utilizes pin number 9. And then we have the potentiometer utilizes the analog output 0. And as always, thanks for watching.